What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews, and right here in hand, we got the Apple Watch Ultra. So let's talk about it. All right, so this is it. Now, I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing because it's gonna take some time to use this and get to see how it works and everything. So, I do have an extra band here and there is a band on the inside. But for right now, let's just go ahead and start the whole unboxing process. All right, so this is what you get. Now, I'm not a ultra type person. Like, I'm not diving, I'm not rock climbing, I'm not doing all that. I just like a bigger watch. And this thing is 49 millimeters. So it's the biggest that Apple has out right now. Now this is the actual casing itself. And then I actually picked up the yellow band. Now this yellow band is the Ocean band. We'll get to see it in just a moment. And that's pretty much it for that portion. So box has waves on the inside. And I guess since I picked the Ocean band, I got the Ocean box. And I do have the Ocean pamphlet, I guess. And this just tells you about how to do everything and tells you about the watch and all that good stuff, what it does. And then in the back, you do get normal Apple flyer telling what this is. All right, that to the side. First off, everybody wants to see this. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. There we go. All right, here we go. Oh, it's one piece, or no, it's two pieces of tape. All right, got so excited that I didn't realize there was another piece of tape on the side. So this is box there, and on the inside, this is your charger right here, standard. You get some Apple information on the front, nothing on the back. And whoa, it's got a nice weight to it. I like it already. I like that weight. This is the actual watch face itself. So let's figure out how to get it turned on. There we go. And while it's powering up, let's go ahead and just look at one of these bands, or both of these bands actually. I like bright, vibrant colors. And when I saw this yellow one, I had to jump on it. So just the packaging, pull it out, and then get the bands down in here. There we go. And let's see, got that bangle right there. Get all that to the side. And normally on the inside, got your little Apple who's its and what's its, and this is basically telling you how to set all this up. So not going through all that right now. I just wanted to show off this band. I'll set all that up later because I don't feel like going through that. This is just an unboxing. I will come back with a full how-to and all that good stuff though. Let's see, orange. Here we go. Same thing. This on the inside, as well as the band and some instructions over here. Now, I do believe that the 49 millimeter bands will also fit the 45 millimeter Apple Watch and vice versa. Don't quote me on that. This is the band itself. I'll have to just kind of play with it and see how it actually works, because these are some nice, neat looking bands that they have this year. All right, so since we got the watch right here, the Alpine band over here, and the Ocean band over here, we're just gonna play around with them just real quick, just showing you how these bands are gonna work. Now, first thing you gotta do is basically just get the band ready to go on your arm. So just like normal, you're gonna lock it in place. Once it's locked in place, real nice. Now I did have to settle for the small band on this one, just because They were sold out of every other size, but the small band does fit my arm. See that? It's nice and spacious. And then you're just going to take the G-loop titanium that you got right here, stretch it out. Then you're just going to take this, lock it in place. And this will get to be a little cumbersome, but if you're doing those like tasks that are really ultra tasks, like rock climbing, deep sea diving, that clip right there, that titanium clip is gonna hold this on. So you're not gonna have to worry about it jumping off. And it feels really good. It's real nice, comfortable. It's roomy, spacious in there. And the material feels good against my skin. So I like this one, I like it a lot. This one right here is the orange Alpine band to take it off. And I think for so many years, we've just been used to like magnets and buckles that we have been accustomed to that for so long that it's just now second nature in an Apple Watch. Now with this one, it's a little bit more like a traditional watch. So you're gonna just, and it's a little tough for that one to find the little clip to snap in place. There we go. I did hear it. And then right here, once again, we're just gonna snap it in place. And it's kind of tricky up in there. There we go. Heard it click. So the watch is actually setting up, is pairing to my new iPhone down here. Now this one is a little bit different. So you're gonna first put it on your arm, and we'll just put it on the arm just like that, at the size that I would like it to be. Not too loose, not too tight. There we go. Now you notice you're gonna have this piece flapping off right here. This portion is actually going to come apart, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna just slide this in one of these holes, just like so. And once you slide it through, got it all the way through, you're just gonna lock it in place with, this one. All right. Once that is locked in place, you now have this little holder, and then you are going to bring this through. So remember, this is for like like extreme things. You're holding the band in, you're keeping everything together, you're outside, you're doing these different tasks. And I want to see if it's going to just be good for everyday use, or if it's going to be comfortable for everyday use and not deep sea diving and marathon running and desert hiking and stuff like that, because I'm not doing any of that. I just like the bigger face. I like the fact that it is heavy on my arm and I can feel it and tell it's there. And I love these bands. I like them a lot. So this has been a first quick look at the Apple Watch Ultra. I'm going to try it out for about a week or so, come back with a follow-up and let you guys know how this thing has done. Even though I'm not in extreme environments and I'm not doing extreme sports, the average person can probably wear this too. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out, giving you a first look at this device. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.